Welcome to ZK Mobile, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into the REALME NARZO 60X, a budget-friendly 5G smartphone that promises great performance without breaking the bank. Let's explore its key features and see if it's worth your money. Design and display. The NARZO 60X boasts a sleek and modern design with a 7.89mm slim profile, making it one of the thinnest in its segment. It features a 6.72-inch FHD+ IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner adds both security and convenience. Performance and software. Powering the NARZO 60X is the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 5G chipset, paired with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. With REALME UI 4.0 based on Android 13, you get a feature-rich software experience, including dynamic RAM expansion for better multitasking. Cameras. On the back, there's a 50MP AI primary camera alongside a secondary depth sensor. While it may not be a triple camera setup, the AI enhancements ensure crisp and detailed shots in good lighting. For selfies, the 8MP front camera delivers decent results, making it a solid option for social media enthusiasts. Battery and charging. A 5000 mAh battery keeps the NARZO 60X running all day, and with 33W SuperVOAC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This ensures less downtime and more time enjoying your device. Final verdict. At its price point, the REALME NARZO 60X is a compelling choice for budget users looking for 5G connectivity, a smooth display, and solid battery life. While it lacks an AMOLED screen and an ultra-wide camera, it delivers where it matters most. What do you think about the NARZO 60X? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to ZK Mobile for more smartphone reviews. Let me know if you'd like any modifications.